Welcome. In this session, we'll focus on some of the major natural gas deposits in the regions of Middle East. So this is a very important topic under economic geography. So if we start with the region of Mediterranean, there are three important centers. The first is known as Zohr. Now this is the Egypt's largest gas find deposits, which was discovered in 2015, and this has made Egypt a net exporter. The next is Leviathan. Now Israel-Middle East conflict has led it to one of the major centers. It is a major exporter to Jordan and Egypt. The next one is Tamar. Now Tamar is again under Israel, and it was discovered in 2009. Now this was one of the major centers that has led to the gas boom in the Middle East area. Coming on to the region of Syria, one of the major centers is the Kerem Shah, and this was with Iran. It is one of the major centers as the Western gas hub. It supplies to Iraq via a pipeline and is also one of the major suppliers for the domestic requirement. The next set of centers for gas production we'll talk about is Siba. Now Siba is one of the major oil fields in Iran. The next three are in the region of the south of Iran, and this is North Dome. Now North Dome is again part of South Pars. South Pars, as we saw, was under foreign investment sanctions, and this has been shared by both Iran as well as Qatar. Now Qatar shares the area of North Dome, Iran shares the area of South Par. So a common area where both of them share it, but Qatar has more LPG dominance in this region. The next is the North Field expansion. Now this was under Qatar. It has a very high capacity of 142 supplies by 2030, and this is again one of the world's largest LPG extensions. India is highly dependent on Qatar for its LPG requirements. The next is the Kuf and Shah. Now this has been under UAE. It is known for Sour gas because of the sulfur presence, and it has very high sulfur deposits with the Kuf reservoir. Now because of the high amount of sulfur, the sulfur compounds which are used are highly known here, and these sulfur compounds, for example, sulfuric acid is used in lead acid battery, which is used in your petroleum vehicles. So again, a major component of sulfur and the petrochemicals come from this region. The next is Oman. In the Oman, the major oil field is the Khazzan area, which is again one of the major centers. So those were some of the major centers for natural gas, and these are again important. In the previous session, we have already discussed the oil centers in the regions of Middle East. In this class, we have talked about the natural gas. We'll be talking about other important minerals and supplies along with the physical and political geography of this region, which is very, very important for your upcoming prelims. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining. If you have any questions, connect us on the WhatsApp number below. You can also comment in the video below. Thanks for joining.